Looking your best gives you confidence and joy. From a subtle, youthful glow to a life-changing makeover, exciting new cosmetic options give you exceptional results, often in less time than you thought possible. To begin, it's important to have a caring, experienced professional who personally tailors the procedure that's right for you. Meet Dr. Alberico Sessa at Sarasota Surgical Arts. Specially trained in state-of-the-art cosmetic techniques, Dr. Sessa offers the latest advances in rejuvenation and beauty enhancement, including non-surgical and minimally invasive treatments. When choosing a cosmetic surgeon, it's key to consider the doctor's training, credentials, experience, and commitment to patient well-being. Dr. Sessa is a fully trained MD and board-certified surgeon, accredited in advanced techniques through the American Academy of Cosmetic Surgery, experienced and continually up-to-date with the latest technology. Our practice is committed to the highest standards of patient care, comfort, and absolute safety.
The philosophy of Sarasota Surgical Arts is one of self-fulfillment and self-enhancement. I believe that providing the highest quality of care to my patients is my duty, both as a physician and as their personal surgeon. I'm lucky because I have one of the greatest jobs where I get to help people feel better about themselves and to feel younger about themselves. I'm a board-certified surgeon specifically trained in cosmetic surgery. I pride myself on providing the highest quality cosmetic surgery needs of both facial cosmetic surgery as well as body cosmetic surgery to my patients. The path to my final destination as a cosmetic surgeon was a long and strenuous one. It began as my training led me through aspects of facial and reconstructive surgery, where I was able to help patients that were involved in massive car wrecks or gunshot wounds or large defects of their face. I was able to help in their reconstruction and help them get back to their normal way of life. The things that I learned from that, looking back on it as a cosmetic surgeon now, is attention to detail. Attention to detail in cosmetic surgery is of utmost importance. Without it, it's the road to mediocrity. My training, of course, as it proceeded, there are paths that you take in life, and I chose to take the path of learning more and experiencing more with cosmetic surgery because I felt that that was something that truly interested me. I decided that cosmetic surgery was really the way that I wanted to evolve my practice. And in doing so, I was very, very fortunate in being accepted in one of the top cosmetic surgery fellowships in the country. And there I was able to train amongst 5 exceptional cosmetic and reconstructive surgeons. Here at Sarasota Surgical Arts, I pride myself on providing the highest quality care and safety to my patients that are available today. If patients are considering having both facial as well as body cosmetic surgery, we could help here at Sarasota Surgical Arts. The SmartLift is a procedure that I helped develop during my training with some of the finest cosmetic surgeons around the country. And this is a facelift. It's a modification of the traditional facelift that takes about a third of the time. It's done under local anesthesia. It uses an incision of about half the size, so it's minimal access, but you get maximum results. This procedure is able to be used along in conjunction with other smaller procedures of the face to allow a more youthful appearance in a much quicker time. People have noticed that the so-called downtime to this procedure is incredibly short, from a few days to a week to 8 days, where they feel as though they've gone back to work in a short period of time, pain-free most of the time, and very comfortable. Upon moving to Sarasota, I felt that I wanted to be able to provide the most complete care to patients from start to finish. And in doing so, I planned and I built out a state-of-the-art facility that both houses a fully operational operating room in which we have trained anesthesiologists as well as nurse anesthetists that work here with our patients, but I'm able to give patients that feeling of specialty care.
I had a double chin for some time, and it was getting progressively worse. It had started to really bother me, and probably for about a year I had contemplated having something done, but and then suddenly I noticed that it was really bad. And I felt that when I met people, their eyes went to my chin and nowhere else, and it really bothered me. I didn't want that to be something people noticed about me. So I met with Dr. Sessa, and he went over everything with me, that what I could expect, what he would do, made me feel very comfortable. And we set it up and did it, and I absolutely had no pain. People find that hard to believe, but I had no pain, and it was incredible. The procedure I had done is called the Smart Lift. Dr. Sessa explained all of that to me, and it's a very simple procedure, actually. It's just, I had some little bit of stitching in here, and right back in here, and right here. That's it. Some of the comments that I've received, actually, I thought people would say, oh wow, you had a facelift, but no, they said, oh, have you had your hair done? Did you lose weight? What have you done? And then I just told them I had the Smart Lift from Dr. Sessa. I would highly recommend Dr. Sessa to anyone. So, and I do.
When I came in to talk to Dr. Sessa, he was just like a normal person. He didn't, he listened to everything that I had to say, all of my questions, and addressed every single one of them. I had a surgery that I just was not happy with, and I wasn't happy with my last surgeon, and I was at a loss. I was kind of afraid to go back and do it again, but I decided to, after interviewing Dr. Sessa, I decided to go through with it, and I was very pleased. I had breast augmentation, and I also had a peel, and it was just great. It was just amazing. He just really educated me about the different peels and my options as far as breast augmentation and what he thought would be best for me. At first, it's kind of, I knew what to expect, but so I really wasn't that afraid. But in the end, it was just great. Everything looked so much better, and my skin felt better. I mean, the colors of my skin were so much better, and I was really happy. He's very talented, and he's just, very informative about all kinds of procedures, and I do recommend them to all of my friends and people that I know or people that I meet that are looking for someone like him.
WWSB and Sarasota Surgical Arts want you to experience the confidence and joy of looking your best. Discover exciting new options for rejuvenation and beauty enhancement here on mysuncoast.com. Click on Sarasota Surgical Arts or call 941-923-1736 to schedule a consultation.